Hey, what's up guys, Julian here. In today's video, we're going over the week of July 4th, 2022. This week we've started a new journey. I started trading another funded account, or at least I'm trying to get it funded rather. This account will be in Sim until further noted. The markets I trade Sim would be anything, okay, let me rephrase that. The markets I trade live will be the MES, the M2K, the Russell, and the NQ. Specifically the MNQ. The rest of the markets, whether it be the Dow, oil, gold, everything else, those will still be a sim account in the funded process, or trying to get funded for this account. Reason being I'm going for another funded account is this one's bigger. There's no restrictions except it's only intraday trades, so I have to limit myself to that. There's also a trailing stop that's live too. So whenever things go to 2 to 1, I'm moving to break even. Don't care what the market is. I gotta do it it just makes sense. Over time, I might adjust that if the account goes up, but I'll have to be funded live because eventually the trailing stops at one point, and then I just all in profit from there, or I'm just trading my profit. And yeah, let's go over. So this week was a rough week. I did forget I'm recording this market analysis trade review 3 weeks later. It's bad. It's just I've been quite busy with work, with my other priorities, or other things I have to do. Training is the priority, but I guess it wasn't enough to do the recordings. All right. So this is, I want to mention, gold. I forgot. I didn't mark a gold trade. I already opened my computer. I trade on our computer because I can't have two NinjaTraders open at the same time. Regardless. Gold. I don't have that. It was a -1 unnecessary trade. It was silly. So here we go. The 6E, we have an idea. So this would be a wash expansion. Another one of these things, man. I swear to God. Looking over these more and more. So this would be the double bottom of it. Expansion. They seem to work out. I have to find examples of them not working out. That's the problem. It's easy to spot the ones that work, the ones that don't work. Maybe it happens enough that I can take them. Yeah, because the idea is that they're expanding their frequencies. So it'd be over here. Look at that. Whatever. Getting a little tired. They're recording in a row. Probably did about a good hour and a half of recording so far. Okay, let's get to it. Next trade. Oh yeah, by the way, these are Renko charts. I tried it this week. I don't know. It's okay. Well, once you pay attention to markets that are moving, you don't need to kill the noise. My experience with it. Okay, so this is the Dow. What am I doing? Going straight up, straight down. Again, this is one of these trades. Oh man, I just keep taking it. I'm no longer taking these stupid things. Where this is actually no, this was fine-ish, but if the market wanted to go, could have went from here, didn't, and I'm getting in, stop out of this. It's like, not brilliant, but overall, effort reversed. I get it. Not necessarily a swing either. Meh. Double the range, probably already met double the range. Not the best trade. Perhaps unnecessary. What was the context of it? Oh yeah, definitely. Close to the major frame issue, close to the bottom. At top. Well, we're kind of running through, but okay. Oh my lord. Oh yeah, this one was oil was going. Look at all these trades. They're there. This was the first day I've been trading on this account, so I was trying to get things set up. I didn't move my computer yet. I had to move it to my UPS because my power in here is not the greatest. Cuts off sometimes. Zoom, right there, effort reversed. Zoom, boom, into the effort reversed, right there. Not here, but into here. Expansion. See, this is a double bottom, but it's a little different, right? Double bottom, but there's no trade set up in terms of right side entries, right? Like, take it there? No, because it's up here, right? It's a little in the middle, but you know, see, this is a wash. Something to break, something to fall into. See, this is a little different. If my entry was here, that's not good. But all the way up here, it's as if we're expanding these guys. Anyways, back to as it was. But look at that, man. Woot, woot. Yeah, that's why I started paying attention to oil. I'm like, oh, oil moves. Wow, surprising. Over here we have. Oh, this is a good zoom. I like it. Nice quality zoom. What else could be said about it? You know, we're using the LSB. Not using the entire thing. Yeah, it was in free fall. I'm trying to capture more of this impulse. Didn't work out. Then I tried to do it again, so I went a bit further. See, this was at the double bottom. This is not in the context of an expansion, is it now? It's in the context of a swing that we're currently paying attention to. So the frequency is fresh, it's live, it's in our mind. We're not thinking reversals. I mean, that's the idea behind the expansion. The expansion, like, okay, well, it's going up now, see? But no, frequency is there, it's just doubling out. Here, frequency, well, I actually moved my stop. I zoom, it was so fast. Like this move, this was a fast move. Look, 25 to 25. Like a V, it feed me out. And I took another trade in gold somewhere up here. I don't know. As you can see, I didn't even write my RVR. Negative something. Negative 0.98. It was 975, but 98. Yeah, no bueno. So, close to the bottom. Major frame issue? No major frame. So that's the difference. You know, you can have a major frame issue. This was in the impulse of the major frame, so I'm okay. And I was looking for one of these impulse pulls back into its self expansions. You know, that might have been a little loud for the mic. All right, next one we have oil. This is the next day. So this is my trouble. Did I take a short? One, two. There's a chart I didn't take. Okay, so this is actually negative 3 point. I knew it was worse than it was. Yeah, well, that was likely unnecessary. I'm not gonna go back and capture it because it's so far back. Let's call it unnecessary. Probably was. Let me just update something though. 3.2 divided by 8. Yeah, negative 4 point. Oh, I can say 4. All right, well that's a shame, eh? I knew there was trades I was missing, but I don't want to lie all too much. So yeah, negative 3.22. Well, I'm trading this ahead of time. Just to spoil alert, the next few weeks are a little better. Okay, so what's this trade? Well, this is as simple as it comes. This is maybe could have been played a bit lower, but you know, some breaks, some fall into. Traded here using the LSB, effort reverse. So some breaks, some fall. Yeah, it was after the fact though. Maybe it could have expansion. You would be right here. Was this news? This wasn't news. I looked up. It wasn't news. But I got a little slippage on it. Pas de stress, pas de stress. Okay. Yeah, see. Trying to capture this. Zoom. Impulse. Poop. It wasn't free fall anymore. Interesting. Okay, so we have the MES again using Ranko bars. Well, okay, there we go. This is a scenario where it did not work. What did not work? Well, we have, see, this is an expansion after an expansion. So what am I going on about? Well, here's the swings, right? 1, 2, 3. Expand into that. Expansion achieved, fair enough. Tries to repeat the expansion, does something else. That usually happens. What happened here? I called the expansion the expansion. I only have one confirmed swing. So, no, I've noted this before, but no expansion trades. Expansion trades. With only one confirmed swing. Also, expansions of expansions are suspect. They are. It just is. Well, I can explain myself. Why? Well, this is expansion of an expansion. Only one confirmed swing, so that's essentially why. Some breaks, some fall. I get it, but and we're also close to the bottom too. That's funny. Tough week, eh? Tough week. Yeah, I'd say there's quality zoom in there. Not great, but okay. The saving grace, the Dow, of course, eh? Of course. Oh, look at that. I was willing to play for higher, but you know, if it does this, which it did, yeah, I could have taken the graceful exit a bit sooner. That one, exit. Oh wait, no, I did. Yeah, I exited on the next bar. Okay, cool. I like it. Oh, what's the context though? Because you know, without the context, who cares? Context is range. In fact, it washed it. So an MPL of sorts. This was more of a poke, not a wash. Even this could be considered a poke. Whatever the case may be, it flipped it. It's going up, probably up till here, without too much trouble. Frequency, effort reversed. Cool. Oh, it wasn't a strong contender. You know, this wasn't a zoom. It wasn't a zoom out of it. So I'll decide to play for the right side entry and waited for it. What did I see? Well, a wash. Call this a wash. I don't know. But at least it poked out. Tried to do it here. Psych. And then did it here. In terms of stop placement underneath this guy. Saw as a true level. Fair enough. Zoom. Retest. Oh, perfect.